BB, why you get lost again?
Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to ride around the outskirts of Kanchanaburi in Thailand, and I'm looking for a waterfall called the Sai Yok Noi Waterfall. Around here somewhere. But first I'm just going to pull into this service station and get some fuel and stop for a coffee. Some of these fuel stations around here with the coffee shops have got really good views. I'm just going to have a little look around here and just get me bearings again. Yeah, so even the coffee shop, Cafe Amazon, even this place has a great view. Yeah, on the end of a service station, you don't really expect to see a view like that. At the end of a service station. I'm going to try and head up that way, I think, and see where that leads me. Such a nice place, very calm and peaceful. So I just got caught in a downpour, absolutely chucked it down. I think my microphone's got water in it, so I'm not sure what this is going to sound like. If I've got any audio, hopefully it's picking it up. I think around here there's a hydro dam somewhere as well, so if I can find this waterfall, I'll go to the hydro dam as well. Yeah, so this is Sai Yok Noi Waterfall, and during World War II this region was part of the infamous Thailand to Burma railway, known as the Death Railway. Thousands of Allied prisoners of war and Asian labourers endured imaginable hardship building a railway line through rugged terrain, and so today a Japanese steam locomotive stands here as a silent memorial. Near here is the Sai Yok Noi Waterfall, which I'll visit in a little while. You can hear it just over there. It's very wet and humid around here. But yeah, this steam train's seen better days. 7:02. Let's have a quick look in there. Looks a bit rusty. I'll just stick the camera up and see what it looks like in there. Quite a few visitors come here because not far from here is the bridge on the River Kwai and the Hellfire Pass memorial place. Well worth a visit. And this is just sort of near the end of the line, I think. There's like an old station here as well. I don't think this is still used. I'm not sure whether the train comes all the way down the end here or not. It might do. Although it's overgrown, it looks like these rails are still used. Just up here there's a few places to buy drinks and snacks and things. It's a lovely part of Thailand. It's quite humid today. I think it's going to be nice and cool by the waterfall. Before that, I'm going to see if I can find the toilet. I think there's some toilets around here. All this water. Oh, that was quite an experience. 10 baht to use the toilet. Quite an experience this is. It's all right though. Little stream running through the toilet block here. And yeah, there's the flush system is sort of like a it's a little pot in this big tub of water. Just chuck it down. An experience not to be missed. Right, I can see if I can find the waterfall now. Not much of a lock on this door. Yeah, so just up here, just in front of this steam locomotive, is the waterfall. You can hear it. I mean, you can actually feel it. It's lovely. It's getting cool. You can feel the spray from the waterfall as well. So I think these are limestone rocks. I think. This one up here. Free entry as well. They have this manned during the day, I think, with some like ranger staff. I think there's a lot of water. There's a lot of rain last night and a few days ago, and I say I got caught in a rainstorm just a little while ago. Absolutely chucked it down. So there's there's a lot of water coming off this. A bit slippery. Yeah, the Sai Yok Noi Waterfall. Could do a bit of a jet wash. And then clean this up a little bit. It was quite impressive, very noisy. I'm walking towards it now. You can really hear the roar of the water. Oh, a bit slippery there. Yeah, it is quite slippery on here, so if you come here, be a bit careful. A lot of bamboo there as well. Little section of thick bamboo. Oh, there's another down here. And there is part of the waterfall. I think it's in 2 or 3 levels, I think. This is like the main level. Looks like you can go over there. There's some steps going up there as well. I'm going to see if I can get up there a bit later. It's lovely and cool here. So the heat of the day, when you come here, it's so nice. Feels so good. Nice and cool. A lot of spray coming off of that. And there's a level down there as well, but I'm not sure if I'm going to get down there. It looks a bit slippery. There's not too many people here today either. I'd say it's early-ish in the morning. Well, I say early, it's about 10 o'clock now, I think. Well, not that early. So what can I tell you about this waterfall? Well, this stunning waterfall flows gently over limestone cliffs, creating a white curtain of water about 15 metres high. Its name, I think, is Khao Pang, which apparently means crumbled mountain, a tribute to the eroded limestone that shapes this landscape. Sai Yok Noi is part of the Sai Yok National Park, a vast protected area in the Kanchanaburi Hills. The park is home to caves, rare species and even wild elephants. I did actually see some signs for elephants along the road. King Rama V once visited these waterfalls, adding royal significance to their charm. Yeah, really nice place, really cool in here. Best time to visit, I think, is from November to February, when the weather is cool and pleasant. During the rainy season, from June to October, sometimes into November I think, yeah, the waterfall really comes to life. It's like today, it's roaring with life. So noisy, but very beautiful and very cool as well. A bit slippery up here though, but well worth a little trip up here. Right, next stop, I'm going to see if I can find the Srinagarindra Dam. I think there's a hydro dam built not far from here, I think. So yeah, let's see if I can find that next. Could be a nice little viewpoint. And that's the dam just over there by the looks of things. Hydro dam. And there's a tiny little bridge just across there. It's very quiet and peaceful here. I'm going to see if I can get up the top there. Maybe a road up there possibly. You can see something moving along in the distance. So I might be able to get up there. Don't know. Don't know what those things are. It's so quiet up here. Balik up. There we go, massive great dam. Ah, up the top there? Oh, okay, thank you. Kapumkap. Thank you. I can go up that way? Okay, thank you. Kakumkap. Ah, you cannot film here. Ah. I shall go to the top bit. I didn't even see this guy behind me. He must have come from that little place up there on the corner bit. But he's following me to make sure I come out of this place. He obviously don't want people just turning up out of the blue. Maybe I can come down this way. Should go up the hill again. while, I'll try turning left at the top here then. Yeah, so if you ever visit this dam, you can't go down to the actual dam entrance, the hydro plant. Well, you can, but they get a little bit upset by the looks of things. He was a nice guy. They don't like you filming there. But you can go up this road, I think, to the top of the dam, which is probably a better place actually, probably a better viewpoint, but I'll find out in a minute. Yeah, so I just ended up going slightly wrong. A bit like what happened when I was in Burley Ram and I ended up going onto that MotoGP place and went down the wrong bit and nearly ended up on the track. Until the security guard came and asked me not to go there and not to show me how to get out. Oh, I can't get up that ladder. It'd be good to climb up there. I tell you, this road's got this like high grip surface, but it's still quite slippery. Where the moss has gone on the and the algae's gone onto the road, I feel the back wheel slipping a bit. I think this must be the viewpoint. Yeah, here we go. Right, so I got on top of the dam. Quite a nice view. The Srinagarindra Dam, or whatever it's called. You can see just how much water is down there if the camera picks it up. Not a great deal of water down there. Well, you come across the road on this side and you can see just how much water is on this side. An immense amount. Yeah, that is quite a nice view, and I don't know if the camera can pick it up. There's a nice view just over there as well. The sun is breaking through the clouds. Starting to rain a little bit now. A few spots of rain in the air. Tour group just turned up over there. I'm not sure if they work for the dam or not, I don't know. Very nice place this is. very calming and peaceful. If it wasn't for all the traffic going past, but then there's not much anyway. I imagine this can get quite busy. Well, that is my journey just about complete. Tomorrow I travel to Bangkok, where I have to hand the bike back, and then it's the long journey back to the UK. This has been quite an epic journey. I think all in all, travelling from Bangkok into Isan, all around Isan, Isan back to Bangkok, and then on to Kanchanaburi, back to Bangkok. I think I've covered around about, I don't know, it must be about 5,000, 6,000 kilometres all in all. It's been a great journey. It's been quite a good learning experience as well for riding the bike. I've only been riding for the last 1.5 to 2 years with my UK licence, so all this is quite new to me. I've certainly learnt a lot, gained a bit more experience, but I'm still learning every day. All sorts of things happen with the bike which catch me out a little bit, but this Honda, the CB500X, has been fantastic. Great little machine. It just keeps on going. Whatever you throw at it, it just keeps on going. Well, it's raining again now, so where will I go next? Well, I've got to go back to the UK and then probably do some little moto camping videos, I'd imagine, something like that. And at some point I'd like to come back to Asia and do some more filming. I'd like to come back to Thailand. I'd like to visit Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos. That's all on my list to do at some point. So, but anyway, if you've followed me in the series up to now, thanks for watching. And if you're new, or if you like this, please hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please think about subscribing. Hopefully I can do a few more of these videos at some point. And until next time, from this very wet now, because it's starting to pour down with rain now. It's going to be a wet ride back, I think. I'm going to have to empty my boots because they'll fill up with water again. And I'll have to stick them in the bathroom and stick the hairdryer in to try and dry them out. But I'm getting used to that now. Anyway, on that note, thanks for watching.